All right, here we are again with Mr. Marcel Jordan in Studio 26. And we're gonna be, what are we doing here today?
We're gonna use some resin tints and pour some awesome CNC profiled river tables.
And this looks really awesome. It's like, what would you call this? Like honeycomb going into an organic like river.
Yes. Some bow ties, very hip right now. 2.5 inches thick. This is sugar maple.
Yeah, and we're gonna do blues and then you're gonna stain it gray.
Yeah.
Oh, excited to see it. Well, good work as always. I love it. Let's just do it.
Have at her?
Yeah. Okay.
That looks good.
So these started out as a huge 8-foot sheet.
Yeah. 3 inches thick.
Wow, what a process, eh?
Yeah.
What a
It
process.
keeps going and going and going.
So Marcel, where it's on the top here, does that concern you at all?
No, we'll just, after it hardens, we'll sand it off.
Nice.
Not an issue at all.
Good, well thank you for letting us into your new studio. It's such a cool place and it's nice to see all the different techniques you're using. And when it's done, can you send us some photos?
Absolutely. I really appreciate all the help of you guys coming here and checking out my studio and pouring these tables with me.
Okay, good.